Hi guys, in my last video, I took you through this section of the menu of this software, Audaces Fashion Studio. And I took you through what you can use each of these to do. If you've not watched that video, I will link it right here. You can go ahead and watch that video. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through the second menu called the creation. And under this menu, it is divided into three. Here has to do with all the cutting and joining items you need to use when you're doing your patterns. You need these operations, you need the sculpting, and here you have other options. When you click on any of these other options will actually show up for you to use to do what you want to do. So the very first So the very first tool is this scissors looking tool. This is normally used if you want to create a cut in your style that will not need a seam. So once you click on it, you see this show up, you untick it. So now you can, let me bring this forward. So now you can just create a cut. Just click on your left mouse button and then just create a simple cut. So that's the cut. You click again, click on your left mouse button to confirm it. And you see that the cut is blue. So if I want to simulate it, if you now come to try to shift it down, you see that it follows you. It's a cut. You see? See, it follows you. It's not a seam. So that's just what I wanted to show you. That is what you use this particular scissors cut for. Now, if you want to use this cut with ring, it's normally used to do a cut with a ring. So you can place the ring anywhere you want to do the cut. Let's say you want to do the cut here under the breast. You now place it there and then click your left mouse button and then confirm with your right mouse button. And then click your right mouse button again to remove the action. And you see that you have it right here. So you normally use it if you want to do some cutting, seam cutting, a lot of cutting. So let's say, let me cut here again, there, confirm, then maybe cut here again, right, confirm. So that's it. And let's say you don't want this particular section of the style, you just click on it and then you go to here, this basket, and delete it. And that's it. You've created, demarcated a top and a bottom. So that's what you use this cut with ring tool to do. So the cut with curve is ability to just do a cut. You can just do a cut, click on it. I like that. Do a small cut like so. Click on it and you see the cut there. Maybe do another thing like so. Click on it. So it's just something you can do with curves. So that's what the cut with curve tool is all about. And let's to confirm it, you click on your right mouse button and then it's confirmed. Click again to remove the action. So that's it. This is normally a seam. This is a seam. It's not like this one that is just open and is seamless. So that is the cut with curve. Use it to do any kind of curve you want to work with. Now, if you want to remove some cuts that you just did and you're not happy with, you just click on this particular icon to remove cuts. And when you bring your cursor there, it turns white. Do click with your left mouse button and it goes up. The same thing, anyone that it turns white, click with your left mouse button and it goes off. That is how to remove that. Now, when it comes to these pinch tool. Before I use it, let me just do something to show how that is being used. Let me do a cut with curve, and let me just do a cut. Let me do a cut here. Click on it and then drag it, and then do another cut here. Do another cut here. Confirm it. So if I want to change this thing from looking like a triangle, I just want to make it a little bit round. I didn't do the cut well. Then you can use the pinch tool. Once you click on it, you bring it, click on your left mouse, and then you can shift it. As you can see, just a little bit. I was too fast. You can shift it the way you want. Just do a little shifting. You just pinch it a little, just to adjust it a little bit the way you want. So that's what it is for. And then the pinch with ring is also different. Pinch with ring, let me remove all this that I did so that I can show you the pinch with ring, how it works. Okay. Okay. So let's say I want to create a skirt from this our model. So once you've done such a cut like this and you want to create a skirt, you just go to pinch with ring. Come and click where you want the skirt to start. Let's say I want my skirt to start here. I will just put it at the center here and then press my left mouse click and then bring it down. So you see, it's forming a dress, as you can see. Then I'll just click and that is it. So that's my skirt. So that is essentially what you use the pinch with ring to do. So now let's talk about these other tools. I think I've talked about the pinch with ring. The sculpt tool, actually use it to, if you just put your cursor on it, it's kind of, it said it raises the area on the selected mesh. But what I noticed with the sculpt tool, I use it to kind of bring the dress closer to the body. That's what I've noticed. If I want to make it to become closer to the body, I just use it to make it closer to the body. That's what I use it to do. And then the smooth tool is for you to just make your work, smoother. Just smoothen up any kind of dent or something that you don't want to see. Just smoothen it. That's what the smooth tool is for. Now, there's something I didn't show you when we are using the cut with ring. For instance, if you want to do this kind of cut by the side like this, you go with the cut with ring, and when you have it, you press your shift key. See, it gives you all these kind of colors. So let's say you want to do this kind of cut by the diagonally. This is the ring. You just go here and shift it up like here with your shift key pressed. You bring it up. See, it is moving. The yellow is moving. So just place it where you want to place it. Like let's say I want to do a cut here. Then move your hand from your shift. So you see that the ring position has changed. So all you have to do is to increase it to cover the area you want to cut. So let's say I want to cut it here, like so. So I'll just press it and then press the right to confirm it. And that is my cut. So you can see, you can make any kind of cut in any angle that you want by using that method. And let's say I want this particular section. You see, it did not highlight. That means I didn't cut it well. I didn't put the ring big enough. So what I can do now is go back, highlight this, and then I can go back and do the cut again for it to be able to highlight. I need you to see that, so I have to do that again. Cut with ring, bring my ring here, expand it, press the shift key to create that, and then I use this to move it a little bit to the direction that I want to do my cutting. Remove my hand from my shift key, increase it a little so that I'll have my cut very well. Press my left mouse button, confirm with my right mouse button. Let's hope that this time around, yeah, it worked. So let's say this particular section now, I want to add something to it. I'll just go to application. I'll go to, there's something here like fabric textures. It gives you different kinds of fabric textures that you want, different kinds you want. Now let me look for something like this. Carry this and I'll put apply. You see it has applied there. So if I come back to this, come back to all my matches, now you have a beautiful style. It's as easy as that. So you know how to use the cut with ring in a different angle. Whatever angle you want to use the cut with ring, you can use it. You can use it at the arm, put it at different angles and do what you want. Now let's say I want to do this simulation. Let me cut with ring. Let me cut here with ring. Because I want to show you this simulation thing. I hope it is cut. It's cut, okay. So let me put everything back. Okay, let's say I want to simulate. Let me go to simulate with gravity. You notice that the dress is moving and becoming a little more relaxed. Have you seen it that is becoming a little more relaxed? Making it look a little more real, you know? Let me cut again somewhere so that you also see something. Cut with ring. Let me cut here. Let me remove this one. So now let me do simulation of this one. And the simulation with gravity. Have you seen it? See that it is moving, it's moving down, making it look, a little more natural, forming all this flare at the bottom and all that. Very nice. So you can see it. So that's what gravity is all about. It moves the dress down, it makes it look a little more natural on the body of the model. And so with this, I've come to the end of this video. I've shown you what to do with all these menus. There's another menu, which is the application. This is just for you to apply things, maybe things you uploaded by yourself, different things, apply buttons and all that. That is what this is all about. And this, I will show it when I start actually creating different styles. That is when I'll use it individually and you see how you can use this. So go and try your hands on Audaces Fashion Studio. It's quite easy to use, as you can see. If you can just watch what I've shown you step by step, you can create different kinds of styles and the sky is your limit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video.